Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are well and safe. First of all, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel. Obviously, this channel is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure to subscribe right now. I have noticed that many of the students, many of the candidates watching the videos are not subscribing. Guys, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any update or any important opportunity. So make sure to subscribe. Also, when subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some wonderful hiring opportunities. So make sure to watch the complete video. So let's start with our first opportunity, that is from LG Soft India, as you can see right now. So this is some description given regarding the company. You can go through it once. Talking about the job description, so they have clearly mentioned that LG Soft India is hiring for mobile application testing profile for diploma, BCA, BSc 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch graduates. So many students do comment regarding the job opportunities for diploma student, BCA, BSc students. So here you can see this is the wonderful opportunity for you, right? So about job title, so that is mobile application tester. Job type is contract. Work location is Bangalore. Offered CTC is 3.4 LPA. Now about eligibility criteria, they have mentioned professional graduate in diploma, BCA and BSc. And also only 2019, 2020, 2021 pass outs are eligible. Excellent communication skills, a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th and 12th. A minimum score of 60% in graduation. Students with active backlog are not eligible to participate in the placement process. Essential skills mentioned are basic knowledge on testing and testing concepts, mobile handset, handheld device testing, desired profile with skills, exposure on mobile application testing, having any test certification or completion of testing course would be an added advantage. Possess good analytical and learning skills. Candidates should possess good communication and interpersonal skills. Talking about the selection process, so they have mentioned that first round will be an online aptitude test. So link will be shared to the registered email IDs through the mentioned mail, that is support@myanatomy, and platform is also going to be the same, that is MyAnatomy. And next round will be in technical interview, that is an Skype interview, then HR interview. So important guidelines that they have mentioned is online test will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. Shortlisted candidates from the test would be available for further interview process, and candidates should be available for immediate joining. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, so make sure to do the registration. Here, first of all, you have to enter your email ID, and then you have to verify your email from here. Then you have to provide the mentioned detail, that is your full name, contact number, current location, college, institute name, degree, subject in diploma, BC or BSc you have to mention, diploma, degree, year of passing that you have to mention, convert your okay, so here you have to mention the percentage. Make sure that you are not putting the CGPA. You have to mention the percentage as they have clearly mentioned, right? If you are having any sort of work experience, so you have to mention that. If you are a fresher, you can mention none. Do you have, like, if you are having any certification in testing or training, so that would be an added advantage, so you can mention that as well. Any internship experience, so if you are having, you can select accordingly. Are you able to join immediately? If selected, so select yes for this. Also, they have asked, are you willing to relocate to Bangalore if selected? Relocation will be required once the pandemic situation normalizes. So select yes for this and just check this box and submit the application, right? So this was the first opportunity. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So about our next opportunity is from United Health Group, as you can see. So they are hiring for associate software engineer. Job location Hyderabad, and also they have mentioned other multiple locations as well. Now, talking about the primary responsibilities, so apply knowledge of algorithms, principles, and techniques to solve technical problems. Write problem and space efficient code in language like Java, J2EE.NET, VC++, solve develop complex problems. Required qualification would like to build deeper technical skills, would like to build deeper domain skills, interested in pursuing technical career path, risk taker, and would like to innovate. Now, if this sounds interesting to you, so simply you have to apply for this wonderful opportunity. Here you can see other additional locations are also mentioned, like is Gurgaon, Bangalore, Noida. This is a full-time opportunity. Now, this is an opportunity for 2021 pass out. So if you are interested, make sure to apply for this opportunity just by clicking here. apply. Okay, talking about next opportunity, so that is from Siemens. So you can see that is a Siemens fresher hiring challenge, right? So talking about Siemens, so it is here to support game changers and go-getters to turn visions into reality. Whatever you need to transform your business into something greater. Talking about eligibility criteria, so years of experience, that is freshers are needed. Batch of 2019 and 2020 is allowed. Educational eligibility, you can see BE computer science, electrical, electronics and communication, or instrumental engineering. Skills needed are C, C++, DBMS, OOPS. Challenge format will be 10 MCQ and 2 programming questions. So here you can see they have mentioned the job location is going to be Bangalore. As of now, they haven't mentioned about compensation, but obviously that will be best in industry as mentioned by them, right? So this is for associate engineer, you can see, right, as you can see right now. So talking about job profile, roles and responsibilities. So the work involves system testing of the PC, responsible for executing test cases, perform test automation of existing test cases, responsible for writing bug reports and verifying them after fixes, involved in interacting with test leads and partners for technical clarification. So about the requirements, about the eligibility criteria, we have already discussed. Also, they have mentioned that must have excellent in verbal and written communication skills, should be a good team player, good in logical thinking skills, good in programming such as C#, right? So here you can see about the company as well, some guidelines given, you can check that as well. This is the sample challenge they have provided for you, so make sure to participate in that as well. So as you can see that the challenge has been activated from 25th of June and it will be closed at 4th of July. So make sure to participate in the challenge before the given deadline. The duration mentioned will be of 3 hours, right? So make sure to participate in the challenge. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So our next opportunity is from Mount Blue, as you can see right now. So Mount Blue is hiring for software engineer trainee. This is an entry level position. Location mentioned is Bangalore. This is the overview given regarding Mount Blue. And see guys, if you are having any sort of doubt, or if you want to check whether company is good for me or not, and like about the environment and so you can just check all the things, all the reviews about the company from the Glassdoor itself, obviously, so that you can be clarify about the things or about the doubts you are having in your mind regarding the company. Talking about the responsibility, so you can see work in a team to develop, compile, test, debug and deploy software, develop web and mobile applications using JavaScript, Python, Java, HTML and CSS, ensure close to 100% timely and defect-free software deployment, write documentation for the software and APIs, support software during production and provide hotfixes. This is the qualification mentioned, that familiarity with at least one programming language, example JavaScript, Java, PHP or Python, good analytical and problem solving skills, self-motivated with ability to work in a fast-paced environment, excellent verbal and written communication skills, eagerness to learn new technology, benefit, perfect launchpad for a high-fly career in technology. You will get the opportunity to interact with and learn from the CTOs and directors of engineering of leading technology startups in India. So if you are interested in that, so make sure to apply, right? It's a wonderful opportunity. So these were some wonderful opportunities for all of you. I hope you have found them useful. If you have found them useful, so make sure to like this video, make sure to share among your friends as well, so that even they can know about this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.